I'm back with this live. Today is January 31, day 31, and I'm happy to complete my day 1 to day 30, like from January 1 to January 30 without any break. Each day going live. That feels amazing, and I want to continue this momentum until this year 366 days because each and every day just an hour or a 2 hour if we can commit to something that is really important to us, then within a year we can achieve the things we could have achieved in the 5 years. That's the mentality I have. And as you see my title, like continuing the 100 day of MLAI challenge and planning for February. So what does it means? Yeah, so before this January I was doing 100 days of ML and AI. So basically I'm on a day 47. After day 47 I had some health issues, so I was not able to do it for some days. And then I completed one Udacity like 4 or 5 month program of like AI with Python. Like I got scholarship for that. Okay, so like from 1,000 students from all over the world, I was selected on that nano degree program where I learned AI with Python. And it was really a great course for me because it had like math, which I really needed also for my YAML and AI. And the other part, like I created one project also of the image classification of like a flower. So I had a really great time doing that course. But what happened was, as I was doing that course, yes, but I was not able to like I was not updating on a daily basis. While I was learning, but I thought like I'm learning this chapter and I'm learning this chapter half only for that day, yeah. And why should I like how can I update it? And also my first year BSc physics and BCA first semester I had the exam. So cause of those two exam I didn't continue my day or like 100 days of AI and ML. And I'm on currently day 47. So if you go on my LinkedIn, then you can see from day 1 to day 47, like I shared what I learned on the ML and AI like each day. Now, like there are like some gap, like 1 to 3 days gap, but I did day 1 to day 47, and after that, cause of my exam, I gave some break. And then after the January month started, yeah. So my January month main plan was to mastering React and Next.js. So I really focused on earning more Next.js and React, cause I was on a job which I'm a front end developer and I'm working on React and Next.js, yeah. So I need to be good at that skill, yeah, because I'm getting money, like I'm getting paid to do that damn work, and I need to be like accountable, and I should have the responsibility to give the best output, yeah. So I really focused on the Next.js and React. And although I will be giving my best on it each and every day, that doesn't mean I should come live and learn React and Next.js, yeah. I'm actively learning each day on my office also, because here and there on the break or like full 8 hour nobody works, I guess, on the IT company. You have some break, like there are like agile method, yeah. So on my sprint I had to complete some deadline, some assigned tasks, assigned features, and I make sure to complete those on now in my night time or at the office. And like on the Slack also we update like what we did today and what we will do tomorrow, kind of, yeah. And I made sure to give their best answer, yeah. So I am actively learning Next.js and React also. But this month, this February month, is like I have already planned from the January 1 that this February month I will be continuing my 100 days of ML and AI. So right now I am on my day 47. So from tomorrow, from February 1 to like February 30, I will give my best on each day learning YAML and AI, and updating on LinkedIn. Not basically on this YouTube live and sharing, but I will keep on updating on LinkedIn. So if you are not connected with me on the LinkedIn, then I can drop the LinkedIn link. You can connect with me right now, so to be a part of that also. And what do you mean by planning for February? Okay, so Dipesh Kisi, hello brother. So yeah, for the February, what I have planned is, as I gave my more time on React and Next.js on this month. Yeah, right now I want to implement those learning on my real project. And yesterday live, I with some of my viewers, I made a decision to continue a project. Like, I have one project idea, that is making a live like code editor in the browser. Like, not only a browser, but there will be a certain challenges. Yeah, like, if you heard it, like 30 day of JavaScript challenge. Yeah, so okay, so for example, 30 day of just challenge. So you are restarting your journey of ML and AI. Okay, like, I'm on my day 47. Yeah, so I'm just continuing it from tomorrow. Uh, because this month I gave more time on Next.js and React. That doesn't mean like tomorrow on my live I will learn ML and AI. No, I mean to say is, just want to keep you updating and want to make a title also for today video. So from tomorrow I will be updating that, and if you are interested to be a part of my journey, then you can follow on my LinkedIn, where I will post like all my learning. From tomorrow, I on my stream I will start my that Next.js project. I stated on I stated yesterday or day before yesterday about making a live text code editor for like learning JS, like a challenges side. Yeah, I will do that. But just saying, for ML and AI, I'm again continuing, and that I will learn at my evening time, like at my from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. on a daily basis. And I might come live on that time also, if I like, if I want. But this time I'm coming live each and every day for this whole year. But I might come 2 time a day also, so that can be a possible. So yeah, for the planning for February, so just to recap, I just made a post on my Facebook also, like I use Facebook to connect with developer in my Nepal. Okay, so in Nepal, like I created a separate Facebook account where I have only made friend with the developer who are like front end, back end, QA, like all type of developer from Nepal. So I can get the like what is currently happening on the Nepal job market. Yeah, so I just made a post there also. So if I have to share you with you guys, then I will just screen share it. Okay, I will just share. I will just read that part what I stated. Just give me a moment. Yeah, there are bunch of YouTube videos that I was watching and learning. Okay. Uh, I don't want to open this chat. Sorry. Like, okay. So this is the post I just made. Okay, reflecting on my progress with 2024 New Year resolution, because I made a New Year resolution on my January 1st about doing this thing throughout this year. Okay, so today I made the reflecting, because everyone makes New Year resolution. Yeah, that's good, having separate professional account. Yes, brother. Like, everyone makes New Year resolution, but if you have made a New Year resolution, that means for throughout the year, yeah, for the 12 months. So if you are sharing to the world on the January 1 that I have made this New Year resolution, then that's your responsibility to update also, if you are following that New Year resolution. Yeah. So like, I updated on your like update on my January. So January concludes. Yeah. So I have dedicated this month to evaluating my skill, especially as front-end developer using Next.js in my professional role. Okay, and the highlight of the month, being chosen as Microsoft Launch Student Ambassador, and immersing myself in the world of Azure, fueled by a generous 150 monthly credit. Throughout January, from 1st to 30, I consistently gone live on YouTube. This kickstart my MBA. Sorry for this pronunciation. I have stammering problem. Okay, ambitious 366-day YouTube live challenge where I openly share my learning journey and document advancement in professional and startup project in the office. So have I ever tell you guys or not? It's New Year in Nepal. No, no, brother. Like we have a different month in Nepal, but I created my New Year resolution as according to the English calendar as this January. Okay, and have I mentioned you or not, guys? Like on my office there is our new intern like React and Next.js intern. So I have been given responsibility to hand over tasks and to make sure like we are on the same pace and to do development. Yeah. So as I'm also a starter and I'm a beginner in my career, but I had get that opportunity. So it's my responsibility to learn more and actively able to explain the coding concept to that intern. Yeah, so my responsibility. So now I have to learn more. So that's the motive I have more right now. And okay, and mentoring the SEO team. So I have told you, yeah, so we within us. So now you are not alone. Yeah, yes, bro, like I'm not alone right now. Like she had like she's a intern, and she had like experience in React, and now I'm mentoring and teaching our next years to, and also explaining our current project, where are we right now and what things we need to do. Yeah, and like again, like as on the same company, I went from a SEO expert role to a front end developer. Yeah, so on my SEO expert role, I was the team lead. So I was basically like leading the ten people team, where we had graphic designer, content writer, on page SEO, office SEO, backlink expert kind of guy. Yeah, so and right now also I'm like actively giving half an hour or one day by going on that place, on that room, and like seeing what are they are doing and mentoring them. And okay, so uh I have told you guys or not, but this month I completed this and I'm super proud of also. Like there is this quantum explorer. Okay, so it was from like 6 month kind of program. So if you see like just 18 hour remaining. Okay, like it was from like 7 month course. Okay, so 7 month program. So I was able to complete this 5 module out of 7. Like this second was basically like kind of Discord, a way of like communicating with the other quantum researcher and actively sharing my knowledge. But I was not expert. Like this is a community badge. Yeah, so I have completed this scientist. Uh, this is like time travel or learning badge, and this last one I'm not able to complete because cause of the time also, and like recently I had not give so much time on this. But I'm super proud to complete this 5 module. Like 16 applicants have completed the same amount of exercise, so I'm super proud of it. And another thing is, okay, so I have stated here also, as I was on the 100 days of ML and AI. Yeah, so currently I'm on day 47, and I also updated that. Yeah, like I'm doing right now dual degrees, so I missed some of my deadline in my college. I'm I'm kind of sad also of my one practical. I missed it cause I didn't set reminder for that, and cause of the okay, it's my mistake and I admit. So on today onwards, as I have my dual degree, yeah, so there are bunch of assignment deadline and other practical deadlines, so I will make sure to have on them on wall or somewhere very important place, so I can look it on a daily basis. Because sometimes the two college practical can also have on the same day, yeah, for BSc or BCA. Or for BCA, like for BCA, there was one practical. Like I have completed all the practical lab, but there was one practical lab assignment deadline, and I thought like, and that is also in the evening time, like from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I was not able to go on that time to that office, like to that building, yeah, like where there is the BCA program. So I missed that. So I will be completing that assignment on my next semester, that practical one. So but don't fear about it, like don't worry, I will make sure to do my best onward. So to conclude and to sit toward this life, from tomorrow I will be doing my uh, ML and AI journey from day 48 from tomorrow, and I'm super happy and proud that you are on my live and actively supporting and helping me out. And also on this February month I will create some videos, because I think just going on live, and but also I need to create some videos about what I'm doing or sharing my knowledge on SEO or other like next year some of the cool tips and tricks or kind of thing, like what I'm doing, what the knowledge I have, yeah. So that's the thing. And okay, so today is the title this month, yeah. But and what I have done is, from this January 1 to January 30, I have gone live for like sometime for 8 hours straight, sometime 5 hours straight. But I have maintained like minimum 1 hour live, minimum 1 hour live. I can be sick, I can have like any problem, but 1 hour live is the like the minimum bar to reach, yeah. So today, bro, from February 15, I will be learning. Just can you help me with that? Sure, bro. Like what I like from on my live, there was one Rahul. He is from India, and he had done like HTML, CSS, and also learned some JavaScript. Yeah, so he was with me on this live from I think day 6 or day 7, and we had a Google Meet also on the one Saturday, and I suggested him to do 30 day of JS, and he's right now on day 15 or day 16, and I'm super proud of him. And as my screen is sharing, yeah, okay, so I suggested him to do this day, um 30 days of JavaScript. Sorry, what I clicked, 30 days JavaScript. So, yeah, this one I can share you the link also here if you want to check it out. Like for the starter in the JavaScript, like I highly suggest you this JavaScript 30 day, because to learn a programming language you can do it if you give some time daily, yeah. But most of the people, what they do is they go and learn JavaScript like for a week, like for a straight. They once was like 5 6 hour video, 7 8 hour video for one full week, and they create some small project or a big project. And after that they think that okay, I have learned the JavaScript, I need to learn more other things, or they pause for some days, and then when they go again at the JavaScript, the small thing can also make them like confused or like what is this kind of feeling, yeah. So but if you follow this 30 day of JavaScript, so within a 30 day there you will be creating each day project, learning new things, and you will be sharing on your social media, on LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter, anywhere, doing that live and capturing the footage of what you made, what you did on that day. So it really makes you like what you are learning and more conscious on your learning. And 30 days is best, because that time you will be have more knowledge than just doing 1 week and going on a lazy mode. And arcade brother, I highly suggest you to follow this JavaScript 30. And although if you have any confusion, or like, I'm not also an expert, but I, from my knowledge, I will be actively helping you on LinkedIn or on a stream or anywhere we can connect. Okay, so that's the plan. And uh, if I have to see my calendar, I need to update my calendar here also. So this is my daily calendar right now. Yeah, is my screen sharing? Oh, sorry. Okay. Mm. So this is the routine I'm following right now, and I need to update it because um I have noticed some of the time blocking I'm not following actively, or I feel like to switch because I I want to make it fun to me also, because if I'm doing same tasks repeatedly for a long period of time without any addition, without any fun to it, like these like a self way that can decrease. Yeah, so right now, like, I'm on my office from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Yeah, so on my break, I'm learning Django also, because for my backend. And after I come home, I'm reading this book, Psychology of Money, and I have just completed that book. And I have bought this book, like, if you can see it or not, this Elon Musk's book. Yeah, so from tomorrow February I will be reading this book. So I need to update on my January on my hi bro, today I started AI and ML. I asked you yesterday. Now I'm doing JavaScript and pandas and anaconda. That's great, bro. That's great. And like, I think we are on LinkedIn also. Yeah, like, or not, but I think I have seen your profile there. Can you share more about what can I learn in public? You can learn anything in public, bro. Like, anything, like, for the sales. Yeah, if you are practicing sales also, then you can come on live and practice, like, pitching to your viewers about any product. Like, I think being on public makes you more vulnerable on your small thing also, on your communication skill also. But doing that repeatedly for more time each and every day, then you can feel a confidence also, because I was not at like this speaking English, like, still I'm not, I know, but it really helps you to, like, think quickly on English. And also I have stammering problem. Yeah, so I stammer a lot, because right now I can think like, while I speak I stammer less when I was on my January 1st. So that's really great for me for my communication skill. No, bro, how can I learn in public? Okay, so you are asking about how can I learn in public. Yeah, what are the ways to learn in public? So basically, I okay, before starting this YouTube, yeah, like, day one, like, I learned in public in LinkedIn. What I did was, day one of learning ML and AI, and I used to post what I learned, what the certificate I got, like that way. And before also I used to do, but right now I'm failing it, was like, after completing some course. Yeah, I shared my certificate with some, like, the caption, okay, so this I learned today. So that is also the basic way of learning in public, means you are sharing to the world what you are being with, like, what are you doing on your daily basis, what are you up to. And if I have to suggest you, then learning on LinkedIn and Twitter. I prioritize more like LinkedIn over Twitter, but you can start from LinkedIn, and after some days, and when you feel okay, like, I can also share this same information in a short way on the Twitter. Then you can also share on both Twitter and LinkedIn, because Twitter is the best platform for the developer. But as point of view, like, for like job also. Like I prioritize more LinkedIn because most of the developer I don't know on Twitter, but I have known in the LinkedIn. That's my personal choice, but you can follow that. Abhishek bro, yeah, like I thought we are on LinkedIn. I need to check. So, and if you guys think why I didn't complete this two, because this one was like a community badge, and this one, if I need to complete this, then I need to very like a super focus and give more time, because like for completing this expert navigator badge, yeah, it took me around 1 week, because there was like I was coding on quantum computer, yeah. So because IBM has their own quantum computing computers in their server, and they gave you access, and you can use like Qiskit. There is a programming language where with that you can code on a quantum computer, yeah. So I was doing Qiskit programming on that, and it was kind of hard to me, so it took me more than 1 week. And if I start doing this, I think I only have 18 hours, so I will not be doing. But I think for the next year, okay, so from the January 6 to February 1 for this 2024, it will again start, and I am thinking to complete all on that period. So okay, so right now I will be uh what I'm doing is I will go on my LinkedIn, and I will see my day 1 to day 47 on ML and AI, and I will make a plan, because I don't want to like go from February 1 and after coming home from the office to think like what I need to study to make a post about like day 48 of ML and AI. I don't like that way. I will make a plan. Okay, so for this month, what I will be learning, and I will just following that plan for this whole month. So I'm thinking of learning from couple of resources. Okay, so first of all, what I'm doing is from the Udacity, like I had done this AI programming with Nano. Yeah, I think I have access of this course after my completion of my degree also, because so I will use it for my refreshing way, like to like recall my learning. So I will use that one. My resources is Udacity AI with Python. This one I need to show. Okay. So this one, yeah. So if you see, I have completed this like AI programming with Python on this like January 2. Okay. So here you can see I have like numpys, pandas, matplot, linear. Like I need to focus more this calculus and mathematics also, and neural networks also. And also and uh on the Coursera I will be following one course. Like I think I applied for financial aid for that, and I think I got financial aid on that program. So I will be learning that course. Yo, hello bro. So okay, one is my Udacity, okay, and another is my Coursera, okay. If I go on my purchases, bro, I think all of you know, yeah, like you can apply for financial aid. So I have completed this supervise, okay. I can share with you. I have I have completed this supervised machine learning regression and classification. You can see on the Coursera, I got the certificate also, yeah. So right now what I will doing is I will be learning this neural network and this one, and yeah, this two and this. Okay, so mm, I will be learning this one. I think I started, but okay. So that day when I got okay, so but this one I haven't started. Okay, so this one, and there is Michigan University. Okay. Okay, no, on this two one, okay, this two. I will be learning and completing this two degree, this two course, And also I will be looking this. I think I have completed, yeah, I have completed this course also. And what I will do is I will again recall, and I will try to make a, I implemented open CP finally. Yo bro, that's great. So like you said, you are making that Jol Align face, yeah. Bro, after publishing that app, I need to try it because I really need to make my jawline. So okay, so hit me up on LinkedIn or on stream also, because I will be live each and every day. So these are my two primarily source of learning, and like posting on like daily basis. So and another thing is, you guys know or not, if you have GitHub developer pack, yeah, like if you guys have GitHub student developer pack, then you can get like 3 month of data camp, 3 month of pro access. So what I did on my day 1 to day 47 of AI and YAML journey was, I completed each day like 4 hour 2 hour video of the course. And on the each module I get a certificate of I have completed this much. Okay, so you are bong. Sorry, bro. Sumisa. Hey, bro. Samir, you are so happy for you. Hello, brother. Uh, you are bong. BONC, like, I don't get it. Can you explain me? So, okay. I will be using these resources as my primary for my continuing day 48, like for my 100 days of ML and AI journey. And another will be this. I will recall my learning and make a proper note kind of way, because I think while learning machine learning and AI, you should have your self note. That can be on your physical or on your online, but having one can always help you on like knowing and better explaining to all other person. Yeah, like I know the stuff, but I am not able to explain because there are some terminologies that I can't recall. So another course I will be doing is this one, neural networks and data learning, and another is improving data neural networks. This course, and there is one this side, data camp. This side is best for learning ML and AI. Like I have completed bunch of certificate here and learned also on my day 1 to day 47. So if you go and see my profile, like okay, so if you go and see my profile on data camp, like I have learned like SQL, data manipulation with pandas, Git, and database design, PySpark, data cleaning in Python, bunch of this course, yeah. And I created bunch of the project here also. So for my 3 month of, what are you how are you gonna manage so much things all at once? So yeah, like it can, okay, so I'm just giving a small explanation, okay, kind of. I'm not saying that I want to master this all thing within a year. I'm saying is I will be learning this all thing, like, but I'm also prioritizing means on my January, like I prioritize myself on more on React and Next.js, and for this February month, I will prioritize more on machine learning and AI. And what I'm saying is, I'm setting my goal for my next 5 year, because on this 5 year, okay, so there is one person who is specialized in one skill. Yeah, and there is one person who has like bunch of skill, and he is actively learning for 5 6 years. Then he has a special kind of skill set that no one can copy from him. Okay, so that's like kind of mindset I have. Like I'm hard to explain it right now, but I'm not saying I want to be like I'm a pro and I'm a master within a year, but I will be actively learning throughout my 5 to 10 year, and I'm setting for a long term game. So that's the mindset I have. And and another thing is I'm also kind of managing on my daily schedule, and I like what I have done is I have okay. So just I want to point out one thing. Okay, just a small thing. So okay, I have 168 hour a week, and I give 35 hour sleep a week. 9 hour of quantum, 9 hour of BSc physics. I'm doing my physics degree, and 9 hour of ML and AI, 5 hour of book each week. Okay, so 4 hour of SEO because I'm actively recalling my learning also, and 4 hour of BCA, 9 hour of startup slash this live, like 6 hour of next year. So I have divided my like full week on my hour rate. Yeah, so so if I miss some hour for a day, I can do that task on the next day and make it like a sum of the hour. Yeah, so just completing the weekly goals. So that's the way I'm doing it right now, and I need to update it today also. But having this kind of diaries really makes a difference, man. Like I have diaries for like for small, like for different tasks I have a different diary. Okay, so that also makes a really different. Like right now I'm using four diaries, like one for my learning, one for my this journey, and one for my office work, and one for my startup ideas and new things that I came up with. So okay, my charging, sorry, excuse me. Okay, my laptop charging port. Yeah, so my laptop. Haha, that's amazing. Thanks, buddy. So okay, and I think I have saw one course about. Okay, there is one this side. Okay, if you guys know it already, then that's great. Okay, but I just found this course. Okay, so there is one Quant University. I think you guys know it or not. My screen is so much zoomed. Okay, sorry for that. So there is one this Quant World Quant University. Like it is a free course of like a 16 week, and each week you have to make a project or a project on data science. Okay, why my net is sorry. Okay, so apply. So there is this applied data science lab. Okay, before I need to see. Okay, so yeah, applied data science lab, roading admission as soon as you have started, cost entirely free, length 16 week, requirement basic level of Python, data statistics, a passing score, and commitment 10 to 15 hours a week, and a certificate. Okay, I'm planning to work on this also. Okay. Mhm. So there is this course also, but it is for master level. Okay. So for this, I need to have a bachelor degree transcript, and it is also free. So if you guys have completed like a bachelor degree, then you can. I have to go. I have to go now. I am also working on building my site. I will love to meet you on coming the week. Sure, brother. Have a nice learning and building stuff, and I hope to see you soon on my live tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, take care, bro. So okay. Uh, just following this this and datacam, and there is one datacam Nepal. Okay, so datacam Nepal is giving like a pro subscription to students who are like actively learning in data science and AI field, and one of my friend has also got that, and I will try to connect with, like, try to network with that person, and I will try to explain what I'm doing, what I'm learning, and I try to get that pro account also for my learning. So that will be my learning platform. Okay, so without any ado, let's start coding also. Hmm. सफर का ही सफर कर रहा. So yeah, this one I made yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay, so I need to make a new project. Okay, so I have not given any name for that wave. Like I told you guys, yeah. So wave, like a BS code code editor on a wave, and where you can go and choose a challenge, and on that challenge you can go and create a React app or Python app, and you can code on browser. And for that I have got one library also, like that library is actually being implemented on the BS code, and it is like maintained and like updated by the Microsoft itself. So I will be learning and I will be using that library. So right now I need to give a quicker name, like I can change the name later on also. But if you guys can just me some name, then that's the best. But what should I give a name is okay. mm, Code a wave, code a wave, code a wave. No, no. I think I will ask for ChatGPT for a more structured way. Okay, for planning this startup, like kind of project. This is a big project for me. So, eh, mm, I'm uh, I'm getting start with a new project. Um, trying trying to make a web code editor where people can code on different language, and also complete challenges, challenges, and thinking to implement with Next.js, and if possible using Next.js for both front end and back end. But I am open to use Django for backend if I needed. So can you give me some what should be my steps, and also a quick name for initializing my GitHub repo? Okay, so using Next.js for both front and backend can achieve. Okay, so I also like to implement Python at my backend, but also as this Next.js 14 as a new like API route. Yeah, like I have created couple of project, but that are kind of small or mid level, not like a big kind of project like this. So my code editor, that's a simple name. Yeah, I was thinking that code challenges, code craft challenges. Yeah, I can go with this name. So yeah, I think this is a this is a web-based platform for learning coding and doing coding challenges. Okay. Public. Yeah, I can create it right now. uh I want to make clear, okay, so I have this much YouTube tab, yeah, so and I'm also opening my BS code, so it may crash. I'm not sure if it, okay, I need to save this what I was doing. I'm not I haven't committed my code. Okay. Oh yeah, bro, after this live, after this code your way, yeah, that's the, sorry if I didn't saw this comment, sorry for that. Yeah, code your way. CYW, yeah. I will change that name. Okay. So after this live, I need to give like 1 2 hour for my job work, like for my office work also, because today I implemented one API, but API thing, but I had some issues. And also, as I told you, I was mentoring one SEO, like next year's intern, and I gave like bunch of time there, so I was not able to complete that. So I will try to complete that after this live, because what I felt was, on my live I should not do like my tasks of my office, because I can do it on my after live, but just like making that site on live, I think that's not the best and a ethical way, because office also has some of their endpoint that I don't want to expose. Yeah, obviously. So I will try to do new project, start my ideas and jiggle here and do kind of that stuff. Okay. And my BS code can crash, or my Google, how's the intern? Yeah, like she has experience in React, but that's the best part. What is, I started learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript before 1 2 year, like a 2 year, or like, if you see at the starting, okay. But she started only before 6 months, and she got a internship. That's a great, like, she's on her bachelor, like on the bachelor she started learning programming, and she learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, and now she has come on our office as a React, but as we are doing project on Next.js, yeah. So I am shifting from React to Next.js, and the base code, like the basic structure, like the base, like use state, use effect, and all the face function, and all the like talks React query are the same, but the Next.js has its own file structure, its own functions that she need to learn. Yeah, so I'm guiding and like showing like what is the difference between React and Next.js. And I learned JavaScript on my from 11 class, yeah. And at the 11 and 12 I had a day shift, and I was not able to like like actively join in a company, but I did my internship kind of remotely way. And used to go on that startup on a weekly basis, or 1 to 3 times a week. And yeah, how's the intern, she's very good at programming, and I think she will learn next year soon also than I expect, and that will help me on my project also, because right now I'm doing. She has experience in programming. Basically, she started programming from HTML from good night, hello, good night, from 6 months, and she's really good at it. Like, what I feel as was, if you really want to do something, and if you start and give your best time, then you can learn any programming language within a 6 months, 4 months, 5 months also. So that's the best thing. So yeah, she has experience in programming, means she has done JavaScript. So I think that will cover up that question. So good night, Swapna Koviti. Okay, hello, good night. So okay, I have started my BS Code project. Yeah, so I need to do this after this live. I will not be doing this right now. Okay. I should create a new folder. Okay. So what you said, code your way. Yeah. CYW. Sorry. MKDIR. CYW. CDCYW. LS nothing. Yeah. Git clone. Sorry. What I think I should do is okay. Uh, because of the npm name, yeah. Because of the name, yeah. What I will do is, I don't like this kind of issues. I will just change the name. So my brother said what name was. So my brother. So what are you working on? So I'm making a project on Next.js. Like I think I said on my before as like on my yesterday live also, like I'm making a web version like VS Code, like code editor, where people can come and choose a language. Okay, so if they are learning Rust, then they will select Rust, and they can start their challenge. That can be a weekly challenge or a full week month challenge, and also there will be some small challenges also. And if they choose that challenge, like that can be a program challenge also. Okay, like a making a project, and inside the web they can code like a code VS Code, like they can. Oh yeah. So yeah, that I'm making, so I'm starting it right now. And one of my brothers said like code your way, that name. So I will be using that name for now. uh okay, so where was my VS Code? I can just say like CYW for now. Okay, I don't want to rename it. I think it. Oh, sorry. What happened? Yeah, it. SSW. Mm, CP, CYW. CY. Why it is saying either try using a new directory name or remove. Sorry, sorry. I'm just. Where is my folder? Here it is my folder. Yeah. Sorry. What I. No. Not 7. Okay. So yeah, CYW. Uh, I will not be using TypeScript because I'm learning TypeScript, but I don't know TypeScript. Or should I learn TypeScript with it? Okay, I will learn TypeScript and I will implement TypeScript on it. Yes, Lynn, yeah, I will be using Tailwind CSS, or should I use Mantine? Mantine. I think Mantine doesn't use tailwind chassis. Yeah, is does tailwind? Uh, yeah, it doesn't use. So I will be using, yeah, tailwind chassis. Okay. Do you want source directory? Yes, I want, because I will have my backend code here also. Yeah, so I want to separate my folder from the starting. Like I don't want to mix it all. Okay, and obviously I will using app router. And yeah, no. Okay, it may take some time. Like I know material UI. Yeah, this one. Material UI. This one. I have been using this component library on my office. Okay, and I was also wanting to learn this maintain, because from the many developer I heard was, for a solo developer who is starting project, this is kind of best also, because you can get bunch of component free, like a, or on a click of a button. But I think I will be using tailwind css for practice. It will be my practice also, and I need to close this all because I don't want to make my laptop suffer more than it can bear. Okay. Mm, yeah, I think I have already. mm, this is what is happening, bro, right now. Already exists. Yeah, I don't want that. Bro, why these two followers are being committed? Bro, what the? But I got a new problem now. OpenCV increased the size of my APK, like now it's 78 megabyte. That's true. Okay. So like I think there are other ways to reduce it also, bro. But can like OpenCV really increase that much on megabyte? That's a great, bro. Like, what was your megabyte at the starting without implementing OpenCV? What I'm thinking to do is okay. So sorry for what of my inconvenience. Now I'm making it okay. It was 9 before. From 9 to 78. th- That's great. That's that is more than double. No, that's like a seventh time or fifth time. Mm, I'm being nervous or what? What is happening to me? Like I have created like 141 repo, yeah, like on GitHub. Like I had like never had this kind of issue before, but why today it is happening to me? Sorry, okay, okay. I'm having my cold coffee. I never had these issues, bro. Like before, I never had these issues. I never had. Why it is happening right now? I have no clue at all. And it is also making me kind of nervous. Sorry for that. I never had like it always went a smooth way. But what happened today? Yeah, it's a simple. Why it happened? Why it took me so much time this time? I have no clue. Okay, so I've created the folder structure. Yeah, so I need to make a API endpoints. Okay, this one no, and I also just close that tab. Django. Django. It is Django. Where is my folder? Here it is my folder. I think I need to make a TS file because I'm working with the uh TypeScript. Okay, so I will make so okay, so just yeah, the library is pretty huge. So like what backend you are using? Like, can we host or can we implement the that part in the backend? I don't know. Okay, just I'm suggesting or I'm saying from my knowledge, can we do kind of like uh on like VMware or like some cloud hosting way we can implement that and just hitting the API for using that OpenCV. Can we do kind of that way? Yeah, you are correct. I'm thinking about that too. Yeah, because only like otherwise, I think if you are able to like refactor your code or do other optimization also, like there it is like 78 megabyte. Yeah, so I think it will go up to I think 65, but below that, I think it won't go possibly. So okay, bro, like you can also suggest some or help me, okay, but okay, so I'm starting this project and I have a basic outline, but I think I need to make on a copy also. Okay, so how I will break this project is, okay, so how I will break this project is, for first 2 3 days what I will do is I will create the static part, kind of like my homepage, navigation bar, footer, like a dashboard, and like dashboard like sidebar layout. Yeah, and I will implement sign in, like a authentication part. And I think this all will, and also like other things like route, like all the component folder structure, I will give this for a 1 week. And on this 1 week, what from like February to February 1 to February 7, what I will do is, like while I'm implementing, yeah, make the UI host, yeah, like while I'm doing that part, okay, so I will be actively learning about like how or really like code editor in web is work, like how are they are managing like npm like packages. Do I really need to, I know like I really am much like heavily focused on cloud computing because I think like I have $150 of Azure, yeah, so I really need to implement that on my cloud computing because like then how, okay, so if a person comes and he wants to run a Next.js app, yeah, so obviously he will need like a packages of this Next.js, yeah, like this npm this node module. So I should be able to host this node module somewhere, yeah. So I will learn and I will try to from the Reddit or like, sorry for it, like from the social media or from the YouTube or from the GitHub, I will try to collect much more information about how a really a code editor works. I will note it down also because just saying it loud can help for a short term, but I need to, I need to make it out of my diary also, okay? Because I'm more focused for this project. I really want to do it, and I will complete this also. So as you brother said, first UI part, yeah. So login, my landing page kind of first page, sidebar, dashboard, and a basic Figma. If I got time, basic Figma, I can make that on my office, or I can say to my UI UX designer, if she got any free time, she can make me a Figma design for it also. Okay, so this part for the UI, and I need to make a challenge challenge page. Okay, so from that challenge page, people can select a challenge. Okay, so I need to make that and a profile page. Like on that profile page, people can see what the challenge they are right now participating in, and like what are their days, like are they on day 5, day 4, day 6, that count there on profile page. Yeah, counting challenge days. Okay, and I think I think I have missed some of the UI part right now also. What I'm missing is, so people comes to my site and on a landing page, sign up registration profile. Okay, so on the profile he or she can give more information about what challenge they are want to select, and the challenge like profile, so they are can be like a 4 5 6 7 8. Will you use the chat gpt api? uh ChatGPT API, I think I'm not planning it right now to using ChatGPT API, because I think I will not need that much also, because like for this application, the main thing is making a working web browser where they a web browser code editor where they can code. Yeah, and the challenge part, I can for the starting phase I can do it like a saying on a piece of paper kind of text also, do this challenge on this code editor and submit it. Yeah, but just I don't want to just make it on that. I mean, you can use it for generating the question. So yeah, yeah, okay, okay. So what I was thinking was, as you I think you have seen this, my screen is sharing. Yeah, 30 days of jazz. So on this 30th day of jazz, he, like on the day one they are making this project kind of way. Yeah, and but if you go inside this, you can code online, like you have to kind of make your own start, like on your local machine. Yeah, so yeah, I think for thank you for saying that ChatGPT API for like generating question. Okay, I will add your ChatGPT for generating question. Yeah, question, like I don't know like how much token it will cost me, and to be honest, I don't have a like a Mastercard kind of right now also, and I think I can buy it, so I need to make one Mastercard for that also. Okay, so I will be doing that. Okay, uh for question, but for like a challenge I can give them like a day one to like weekly challenges, monthly challenges. Yeah, and or like it can be a challenge where I have not said anything to code, like I have not said okay so do this, but they have picked one language and they are learning from like documentation or somewhere, like from any resources, but they are using my code editor online version where they are coding, and also they are like a creating a accountability for their use. Yeah, uh so okay, first of all I need to complete this UI part this much. I will give it 1 week time. Okay, and on this 1 week time, learning from resources online editor. Okay, and second week what I will do is I will implement. auth like forgot passport, like all the like JWT token, all those stuff, like authentication with setting. Bro, like what database you are using for your app? No user have to add their API key to generate the question. No user have to. No, I meant sorry. Okay. Uh, okay. I I wanted to say is no user have to add their API to generate the questions. I mean, yeah, like people do not have to add their API key, but I have to, yeah. Or so like I don't know, like I'm don't have so much experience, so but like you, but I have to give my API token, and when the people do any create new challenges, I'm sorry, like I'm not getting it. I mostly use MongoDB. Yeah, like have you tried Supabase? Supabase. I'm thinking to implement Supabase also on for the database. MongoDB or Supabase. I'm considering one of here. Okay, so my live is sharing. Yeah, okay. I will just show you Supabase here. Okay, Super. So it is like open source Firebase alternative, they say, and it is kind of backend system. Okay, so what I like, the pricing is also like kind of good because you will get unlimited API request, social auth provider, 500 MB data space, 1 GB, 5 GB, and 50,000 monthly active user for zero. Leave me to free organization. And if you want to go like pro, just like a $25, and you will get database. Or what you can do is, okay, I don't want to pay any like this $25 also, then as it is a open source, you can just take your code and you can host it on your own server also. MongoDB is quite cheap. Yeah, like okay, so okay, for this 1 week, while I will be implementing the UI part, I will go more like what kind of data schema like I will be needed, or like what will be like a data work like a data flow, like what kind of data I will be needing on my application, and on the basis of that I will choose MongoDB or Supabase uh, while implementing UI part. Okay. Okay, so for the second week, I will be doing authentication with setting backend. Like final of, I think I will do it the next, yes, probably. And if I need to add more power, or if I need, if I think I'm not able to do the things on the Next.js as the backend, then I will go on alternative to the Django. So okay, that's like a overall picture, and I know after that also there will be couple of weeks for actual stuff like the making the challenge itself and like the online editor itself. But right now I don't have that much of a knowledge, and I can't see that future right now because I don't know how the code editor works right now. But after 1 week, while I will be implementing this UI, I will be actively learning it, and on the next week, I know that I will know that what I will do on my week 4 and week 5. Okay, week further needs to be planned. further needs to be planned. Okay, so for this week, for this tomorrow, I will be making a simple site like this. What your company use for the backend? Okay, they use Laravel. Like we have two developer. Like one is kind of professional, like a kind of expert in Laravel, and he is with us on this company, like from the starting of the company. Yeah, so like the boss are also favoring the Laravel, but but like I said you, I'm learning Django. Yeah, like the one of my motive to learn Django was like our company is switching to Django also. Like they are hiring a Django developer, and they have like vacancy also for that. And I'm also learning Django to do like backend stuff there. But right now, if I have to say, the all the APIs are made on the Laravel, and we use that code on our front end, on our app on the Flutter. What did company do? So okay, our company has like two sister company also, and I'm on one of that sister company. Before, when I was working on SEO, I was at the like main company. Okay, like the main company, and they have like in-house project also, and the service base also, and that company is on register in USA, Australia, and the Dubai also. And like they have different department, but on the sister company right now they are making like in-house project, and they will be implementing on their also, and they will be making kind of it as a startup, and like distributing, obviously. Yeah, so right now we are making a Hazir kind of application. There is a kind of a smart attendance system, like where a person can make a multiple companies, and within a multiple companies he can add all of his stuff, and on the login logout time they can check in, and they can have like attendance report on daily, late in, clock out. Yeah, like they provide service also. So as I told you, I did SEO. Yeah, so we did SEO of other people also, like the other companies project also, and we had our in-house SEO project also. Like I think you know, or no, not like CDR report writing, do you know? Like in the Australia, if you have completed bachelor degree and trying to move in as a hello. Yeah, so if you are a engineer and trying to move in to Australia as a engineer professional, then you have to make a CDR. Okay, so from the US or from the any world, so we rank on like globally for this CDR report writing. That is a in-house SEO project, and obviously there are like multiple SEO project also. And I switched from that above company to a sister company for this in-house project kind of thing. And obviously it is also a startup kind of company. uh I think it has been started from 7 years, I think. Do they pay well? Yeah, so that's the main question right here. So as per my SEO, like SEO job, they are paying based like equal market level price, like fee. Yeah, but I have been moved to the React development, yeah, right now. But still, they are paying me the same amount what I was being paid as a SEO expert. And I haven't said to the boss, because what I feel was, as it is my first like job as a like first job as a React, like a Next.js front end developer. Yeah, so I should have a live project which is live on your side, yeah. And I think I will be completing this like currently making site within a month, or like max 2 month. And only after that I will say to hike my salary, and also give as a market level price. But obviously they are giving me less on this front end developer job than the market. But I will speak after some months, like that's the mindset I have right now. But I think that can be wrong, that can be absolutely wrong, or that is the good way, I don't know. Like that I felt and that I'm doing right now. I don't have anything beside that. So they are paying me as the SEO expert salary, not as a React right now. And I have also not said them to hike my salary, because I feel like after only completing this first project, I should ask like for my that salary. So that's the thing. So yeah, they pay like as per my age, like I'm getting like per my age I'm getting best kind of way. But as kind of experience and kind of a professional way, I'm not getting well paid, to be honest. But after I said, I think they will 100% think and work on it, and hike my salary. But basically I haven't said them. So that's the thing. Okay, I think why I stopped sharing my screen was there was this loading I think cause of my internet issue or some like bandwidth problem. mm, so yeah, I need to cancel it. Oh yeah. So code mirror. So choose a code editor library like React S or code mirror. Okay, I need to see that. What is a code S? Hmm, sorry. Code compiler web app. Build real time code editor. I'm not trying to make a real time, but I need to watch some videos. How to build an a code online code editor like CodePen. Yeah, like a sandbox. Yeah, yeah. And they are giving me like a system design. I think I need to watch this video. So, what do you think about my answer about that? Do they pay well? Can you, if you want, then you can say some something also. Like I'm, to be honest, I'm expecting some comments on that, because okay, my company isn't paying me as much I deserve. I'm thinking about quitting it and give myself a year or two and work on my startup. Yeah, that's great idea, man. And I think like how many year of experience do you have as a developer? Like I think you have said me your age is 24. Yeah, so I think you have couple of experience. Yeah, but like for myself, I don't have like a. I have only experience in the SEO field. Like I have 1.5 or one like 1.4, yeah, 1.4 or 1 point kind of year of experience in SEO. But not like a 6 month or 5 month in only React. Yeah, React and Next. Yes. So it is my also my first company, and so I'm just going with what they are saying, but I think, but bro, like, learning to code is the best people can invest because, as, as you just said, yeah, when you are about to code and create some stuff on online, and that can be used by other people, and that is really solving a problem, then you can make x amount of money with it. So that's why also I'm motivated, and kind of I enjoy to code, to learn. Like, learning for someone can be a pain, but for me, I'm seeing a long term like, right now I'm learning some stuff that can I implement, and I can make some earning also that can really help my family and me also. Bro, my neck is so much paining. I don't know why, because of my just continually speaking, or but right now just add a small pain in my neck. It depends like how you feel about it. I think you should talk to them about increasing your salary. Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I should speak to them. And like, I have made like a letter also, and but I think I will speak to them after a month, because this month I really, I think more than 10 years. Bro, that's great. More than, that's great. That's amazing, brother. I I also want to like learn, keep learning and exploring, and make more than 10 years, 20 years of experience one day, sure to come. But that's the great. That's great, bro. Yeah, so I will be speaking to them after a month, and I will also update you on this live, okay, about what will happen and how much percent I got hike. Like, I think I'm expecting kind of 20 or 30% hike. I'm sorry, okay, and 20 and 30%. I think wow, it will be like uh, I just need to count on my salary. Okay, one time. Mm. No, 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 no. I'm not expecting 20%. I'm expecting, okay. Um, so I'm expecting 45% hike. 45% hike. Okay. Can't you work in Europe? Like, to be honest, hello, are you there? Oh, sorry, I, okay. So, uh, I don't know how to apply for European work. To be honest, like, I don't know like what the document they require, or like how to even like where I can get the job listing of the European company. Also, I have no clue, and that's the main thing. Like, I have never thought of like, I once thought of like a remote job, like learning and also contributing to like a global scale. Yeah, like, as I'm from Nepal, so working on other countries like a exposed to me on a global market. Yeah, like I once had a this thought, but out like just not give much time about how to apply or what are the things to. Like how is the job market there also in Europe? I'm not sure about that part, so you should try. We have many people here in Tech from Asia and they are genius. Yeah, bro. Like, okay, so okay, I will try. Like, I will give some time on researching about how can I apply and what is the way, and I will update and I will share to you, and I think I can get guidance from you also. If I'm following like a wrong path or if I'm not doing right. So sure, brother. Like especially on Europe, which country should I target? Like I don't know, or like in general Europe, or should I just pick one country and on that country I should look for job and what tech stack they are like on the more demand. Uh, so code editor, yeah, I need to VS Code Wave, yeah, VS Code Wave. Uh, which tool? I think Mono. Yeah, VS Code like is made with the Electron, like the JavaScript. Yeah, using Electron, VS Code combines web technologies such as JavaScript and Node.js with the speed and the flexibility of native apps. VS Code uses a newer, faster version of the same industrial strength as HTML-based editor that has powered Monaco Cloud Editor. Okay, Monaco Cloud Editor. Monaco Cloud Editor. I need to look at this. Monaco Cloud Editor. Okay, Monaco Editor, like it is kind of open source. Yeah, Monaco Editor. So yeah, this one Monaco Editor. I think I can install it right now. I really want to try it. Like, how can I use it? Okay, so I will just install npm install Monaco Editor. So inside dev, so I will follow some documentation. Okay, so I will see. I will read the documentation. So there are bunch of document. Okay, so browser and iframe browser and editor, EDM, EMD, Monaco editor samples. Uh, should I try it on a different browser, like different VS Code, for like a different folder and uh, yeah, I think I should, because that way only I will know like how it is really been working under the hood, and I will have more idea to implement on mine. Mm, yeah, okay, so I will just clone this. I think I'm sharing my screen or not. Sorry, I was not sharing my screen. I will go for half an hour more and live, like I will go for half an hour more live, then I need to give 1 or 2 hour on my other work also. like of that is of my company work. So okay, what I was doing was this one. Okay, um, so brother said me about Europe. uh, so as editor name. So Angular. So in Europe, okay, but I have not done Angular. Knowledge of Docker, okay. I think from this side, I should be actively seeing what are the job market or like what are the job being posted, and with your like if I go on this side, okay, okay, for I think I want to see one front end web developer. Okay, so if I see the web developer here, okay, so I should see kind of this what the qualification and responsibility they are asking, and I should actively learning that also, and I should be okay. So if I want to this apply, okay, so what is the way to apply? uh, this is not found. Why this request? But I have not completed bachelor degree, like I don't know, like yeah, I know React. I know MySQL pretty well, and I am learning and doing MongoDB on my Mon stack. Like when I was learning Mon stack also. So yeah, as much as JavaScript, yeah. I think I should be actively looking this kind of uh, site, and I should apply. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot. I will add to my diary also. I need to be serious for this part also, because like getting a global exposure and being able to learn and implement is the best way I can improve as a self, yeah, like uh, improve on my professionally. I think this has been finished. Yeah. So if I run this, okay, so how can I run it? So this way I can. So it is only about HTML. No, no, see, they are just making the div like the container, and they are from the BS editor. Editor mean BS. Okay, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, editor. Where is the editor here? So use if editor join. Yeah, this one and this. Okay, TypeScript. Yeah, okay. Mm, Self Monaco environment mode level. Mm. I'm not speaking right now, okay? Because I'm having a small neck pain. I don't know why. Like, okay, so basically they are using some kind of self Monaco environment and they are just JSONly, okay? Still, I don't have like ideas about how this Monaco is really worked internally. Where Monaco? Monaco Cloud Editor. This one, yeah. So you can see like the Monaco editor is the code editor that powers PS Code. I haven't completed my school. What are you serious? Like, that's great, bro. Like, okay, okay. So, like, I, I, I don't know the full detail, but you haven't completed high school and you are okay. I never knew it like this, bro. Like, I always kind of thought, like, what I thought was like in the European and on the American countries, you have to at least have some kind of degree to get in a IT software role because each and every job responsibilities I used to see a bachelor degree or some kind of qualification. Yeah, but with the pure experience you had that job, that's amazing, bro. Bro, are you there or not? But I think I will be off after like this goes to two because I need to do that project of my office also, and it is like 1 a.m. in the morning. I need to sleep some hour also, and my neck is paining also. Or okay, mm, I will just go to the to make a coffee. So yeah, I just had new glass of coffee. So I just refill my coffee and I think I will be ending this live within some minute for 5 minutes, and I need to do my other code, like other project of my office, and I don't want to like code on the live stream because I'm thinking that doing the office work that I left over, like need to do on the live is not kind of right way, because just doing that like not actually learning and doing startup kind of way and just doing the office work is kind of that I felt. So okay, yeah, arcade brother and Illum- illuminat t bro 99768, and hope you too, arcade brother. I'm also going to see, yeah, sure bro. Okay, so have a great night, have a good night, and see you tomorrow on this live. Take care and have a great day tomorrow. So see you on tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. So yeah.